Greetings po. This is a short tutorial about installing a Flip Builder Flip PDF Professional. So, let's start. This is the folder kung nasaan po yung software natin. Step po for simply installing it. So, click natin yung folder. Then, we go to this window. Then, click Flip PDF Pro application. So, double click lang po ito. Left click. Then, we click yes. Okay. Then, English. Okay. Syempre, English. Then, we click next. Then, I accept the agreement. Then, by default, masasave po siya sa C drive natin, x86. So, just click next. Then, as you can see po, meron na akong folder before about yung Flip PDF Professional. So, just click yes, just in case wala pa po kayo. So, hindi na po lilitaw yun. Then, we go to next. Then, very important po is we click create a desktop icon. Then, click next. And install. So, let's wait. Yan. Okay. So, lilitaw po itong subscribe, Flip Builder newsletter, chuba-chuba, pero you just have to click cancel or this one, the X icon. So, cancel natin to, di kailangan po yun. Then, we will not yet launch it. So, untick that one, then finish. So, may lilitaw na website, just close it po. I-close nyo po yung site na yun. Then, we will now try to patch Flip PDF, Flipbook. So, patch, left click, then click yes. Then, ito po yung lilitaw na option. Then, click natin po yung patch. Then, meron pong window na magpa-pop up. So, hahanapin natin po yung folder kung saan po siya naka-install. So, dito po, Program Files 86. So, click lang po yung plus sign. Then, look for the, ayun po, Flip PDF Professional. Click lang po natin siya. Left click. Then, we click OK. Now, as I said before, meron na po ako dati, so lilitaw po to. Pero kung kayo po ay fresh na nag-install, this will not pop up. So, just click yes. Then, again, yes. Then, all done. You're all done and ready to go. So, close. Close natin to. Then, ito na po si Flip PDF Professional. Test natin po siya. Ayan. So it's this is a full version, so you can start making your flipbook. Okay, so yun lang po. Thank you po for your time. Bye bye. Amazing.